Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmo here. RC bashing season is about to start with these three awesome 1/18th scale off-road RC vehicles sitting right before me. These are the newest high-boxing 1/18th scale off-road series RC vehicles geared towards your liking. You like the RC truck? You can go for the Blaster XL. You like Truggies? You can go for the Hailstorm XL. And if you are a buggy boy, you can go for the Gallop XL. Now, batteries are fully charged, but before we get these beautiful new vehicles dirty, let me give you a quick overview of the features of Hailstorm XL Truggy, and we'll bring it out and get it dirty as soon as we hit the desert. Alright, so this is the Hailstorm electric RC 4-wheel drive 1/18th scale Truggy. Let me give you a quick overview of its features. First off, taking a look at the stylish PVC body with attractive color scheme. The stickers are supplied separately so you can customize the looks of your Truggy shell according to your own taste. Soft, high grip rubber tires with V-treads that will provide extra traction for all off-road bashing sessions as you're going to put this Truggy to. Truggy features an independent front and rear suspension system, and the bottom plate does look like a tough plastic plate to take all the bumps from your jumps. Under the hood you can see an RC 380 brushed motor, which is old but powerful enough, and of course brush motors are more efficient, so they will give you more drive time. The brush motor also have an anodized aluminum heat shrink already installed for you, so it will keep the motor cool and in operating temperatures during your driving sessions. The Truggy also has an all-in-one electronic speed controller and receiver system, which is splash proof. Both motor and ESCs are splash proof. You don't have to worry about the water splashing or driving in the rain. A high-speed servo for your steering and provides a quick and precise control of your steering. Truggy also has a central drive shaft 4-wheel drive system with front and rear geared differentials. Truggy is using a spring-loaded shock system. They are not adjustable. If you want to adjust the height of the Truggy, you can easily find some aftermarket clips to insert and increase the ride height, but for now this is more than enough ground clearance for this lightweight Truggy to traverse all terrains. The Truggy is using a 7.4 volt 650 mAh Li-ion battery pack. Truggy is using a 2.4 GHz proportional radio control. Steering response is really nice. Alright, remember this. I just found out with the buggy, if the radio is on slow, this is all the speed you will get. And an underpowered buggy or Truggy which won't even handle sand, like, oh man, I can't handle this, please have mercy on me, no please. So put it on normal mode and you are on for some bashing. Yes, bashing mode on. This little Truggy is doing really well. It has much more performance compared to that little buggy because it's oversized tires. It can actually scale this dune wall much better than the buggy. And probably we can go for a jump as well. Ooh, nice. Fast enough. I believe it will do a jump as well. Yes, it can jump as well. Awesome. it goes! It's doing jumps much better than the Survivor monster truck even. This is my favorite thing to do when I'm here in desert with RC cars. Scaling the dune walls. That's called dune surfing, baby. It's much more fun than the buggy, man. It is much more fun than the buggy. Alright, I'm feeling less power on full throttle, so basically battery is dying. That's it for the fun with Hailstorm Truggy. This one's shocks are also stuck because of sand. These are not hydraulics, these are spring-loaded shocks. The first thing they will do with sand, getting stuck. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?